A question that I'm often asked is whether parents should get a separate insurance policy or should they be combined in the family floater. I guess the reason why that question is asked in the first place is because a family floater is a very convenient insurance. You have just one insurance policy in which everybody is covered. So remembering a renewal date or following up with the insurer is just so much easier. However, this is one of those situations where I think it is better to have parents get a separate policy than try and combine them in this one policy. There are five reasons for this. The first reason is that the way the pricing of the policies is set, the family floater policy, is based on the age of the eldest person. Generally, the parents are at least 20 years older than everybody else, and so they will set the price by which your entire premiums will get set. That's why it sometimes doesn't make sense, and you're better off buying a different policy. A second reason is that of pre-existing conditions, it is quite likely that parents will have a pre-existing condition, could be hypertension, could be cholesterol, or anything else. When they have these ailments, then it takes a little while longer to place the policy, and sometimes there can be a loading on the premiums as well. This tends to affect the pricing of the entire policy, and if a parent has a medical problem, often insurance will be denied to the rest of the family as well, or it just becomes more problematic. That's the second reason. A third reason is a practical reason pertaining to the sum assured in a policy. When you buy a family floater, the sum assured is shared between all the members who are in the policy. Now, it is generally more common for parents to make a claim, and if there's a severe claim of some sort, then you may land up in a situation where the entire sum assured is used by a parent, and if anybody else falls seriously ill, they may not have enough of sum assured available for them. And vice versa. If a child or somebody else gets sick and uses up the entire sum assured, then the parents will not have the insurance that they need. So that's really a sort of third reason which one should care about. And the fourth reason is that the insurers who are best for parents may not be the insurers who are best for somebody in the 30s or 40s. So when you start separating the insurance out, you can actually pick the best for every person, which I think is just a good outcome. The fifth is really that sometimes if there is a problem pertaining to one person, it can impact everybody in the family floater policy. I have seen some situations where there was an issue of misdeclaration of health conditions of one individual. It was not the parent, but a son in this case. And the insurer then proceeded to cancel the policy for everybody. Now, while the decision with regard to the son is fine, the fact that everybody else's policy also got cancelled is not a good outcome. And in fact, we had to fight back and say that no, others should not suffer because of misdeclaration of one person. And yes, the policy was reinstated for them, but it took quite an effort. So for these five reasons, I think parents should be kept in a policy separately for them and not combined in a family floater policy. Thank you.